In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show month instead of date in an Excel pivot table. When you first create a pivot table from data that includes dates, Excel usually shows each individual date as its own item. That can make your report long and a bit hard to read. Often, what you really want is to see your data summarized by month, or even by month and year, instead of by every single date. That's exactly what we're going to fix here. Start by making sure your source data is set up correctly. You should have a proper date column in your dataset, not text that just looks like a date. If you're not sure, try changing the cell format of one of your dates to a different date style. If it changes correctly, Excel recognizes it as a real date, and you're good to go. Next, insert your pivot table if you haven't already. Click anywhere inside your data range. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Pivot Table. In the dialog box, confirm the table or range, choose where you want the pivot table to appear, and click OK. Excel will create a blank pivot table layout on the sheet. Now, in the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag your date field into the Rows area. At first, you'll see a list of all the individual dates. This is the point where we'll group them into months. Right-click on any one of those dates in the pivot table. From the context menu, choose Group. A dialog box will appear with grouping options. Here, Excel usually offers options like days, months, quarters, and years. To show your data by month, select months. If you also want to distinguish between years, you can select both months and years. That way, January from one year won't be combined with January from another year. Once you've made your choice, click OK. Your pivot table will now refresh and display the rows grouped by month or by month and year, depending on what you selected. The Values area will automatically show your data summarized for each group. If you'd like to change how those months are displayed, you can right-click a month label, choose Field Settings or Number Format, and adjust the format to your liking. From here, you can continue customizing the pivot table. But the key step was grouping those dates so they show as months instead. That's all you need to turn a cluttered list of daily entries into a clear, month-based summary.